What is Sprut SDM-1 light amphibious tank? Russia is set to demonstrate its Sprut SDM-1 light amphibious tank during the Indian Army's upcoming tender for light tanks. Sprut SDM-1, equipped with a 125 mm tank gun, is the only light amphibious tank of its class to have firepower equivalent to that of the main battle tank. It can disembark from ships, be transferred by military cargo planes, or can be parachuted with the crew. Its maximum range is 500 km without refueling. It can operate both day and night and at extremely high and low temperatures as well. This tank is equipped with a guided missile system designed to eliminate armored targets, including those equipped with explosive reactive armors, ERA. Sprut SDM-1 provides fire support for forces engaged in combat with heavily armored targets, eliminates enemy strongholds and defenses, conducts battle surveillance, and maintains combat security. The Indian Army is currently looking to equip its light tank with loitering munition, artificial intelligence, AI, tactical surveillance drone integration, and an active protection system to improve situational awareness. The presence of light tanks could significantly improve the combat ability of the Indian Army at the high-altitude areas, because of their high level of maneuverability. This will help India secure its high-altitude borders with China. China currently has a variety of lightweight tanks, while India deploys heavyweight tanks like the T-90 and T-72. Beijing has stationed third-generation modern light tanks along the LAC, over the past 2 years amid the border standoff with India. This has given China,